Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. I just got my parcel from SHEIN and I can't wait to show you guys, and let's get it started. Yeah, I think I just have to be very straightforward, if not I'm going to talk too much in the video. It's a very exciting unboxing as usual because I'm actually getting ready for another island vacation. So I just got myself like some really cool stuff from SHEIN, and let's unpack it one by one. It's I think you guys know, like, I love bikinis, and this is like I got two bikinis from SHEIN this time. And this is very cute, like pink and orange. Well, it looks red, like a red color in the photo, but actually it's a pink, bright pink with orange stripes. I love it. It's just so cute and so chic. I can't wait to put it on. I love all the designs on SHEIN actually. It's very chic, very in trend, and they are very affordable. Well, at-home payment is available on SHEIN as well. So this is design number one for the bikini set, and there's another set. I got it, it's green color, and let's unbox it now. I'm very excited, you know, like I love all these designs very much. Yeah, just maybe I'm not as expressive as I am. Anyway, like I hope you guys can feel like the energy today. I try to dress up in orange color, you know, like give bright and, you know, vibrant energy. And I got this green color bikini. It's just so cute. I love the design. You can see like there is this like floral print. It's just so chic here, you know. You just need to pair something like this, and you are ready to, you know, rock it. And what is so cool is that this actually comes with another like a wrap cover, like a cover for the bikini bottom. So it's like a three-piece set. Yeah, but also very affordable price, very good deal. Okay, so that's pretty much about the bikinis. I got two sets this time, but I previously have shopped for many other sets. Yeah, and here's something really cool. Yeah, I got sunglasses. Yeah, and yeah, it's cool that they come with the, you know, like a little box. Yeah, well, it's not branded, but I really love their designs, and the quality it's okay. You know, if you can wear it like for 4 times, 5 times. Yeah, I think that's pretty fine for me, you know, as long as the quality is okay, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, but not like very durable. Yeah, I have to be honest on that. Look at this. I feel like when I wear it, I just become Dua Lipa or like whatever super fashionista. Yeah, this is actually available in many different colors. Yeah, I was like indecisive in between brown color and orange color, and in the end I decided to go with something more vibrant. Like I just say, yeah, orange is just so cute. Like, you know, this will really level up your OOTD game. Okay, and lastly we have this. Yeah, this is the nipple flower pad. Yeah, it's very functional and useful for me. I need it. Anyway, that's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next sharing. Bye, lots of love.